Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. As you can see here we've got the information that it will reset all settings, no data or documents will be deleted, and it will reset everything including network, fingerprints, face recognition and lock screen. So simply tap on reset all settings if you're ready and confirm it with your pattern, PIN or password. Here we've got also the information that your phone probably will have to restart the system and you cannot undo this action. So be sure that you want to do it and then tap on reset all settings and simply wait. You have to wait until your device is until your device will reset everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.